So welcome to the next video lecture, inserting a node at end in doubly linked list. Okay, previous video lecture we saw inserting a node at beginning in doubly linked list. Same thing, we are going to insert a node at the end of the position in a doubly linked list. Okay, same thing, we are going to check the conditions. So check whether list is empty or not. If the list is empty, we have to create a node in the linked list. That is, list is empty. If the condition head equal to equal null means we have to create a node in the linked list. Okay, if list is not empty, if some other node is present in the linked list, means the node will be inserted at end or last in the given linked list. Alright, these are three different types of condition we are going to check. Alright, this is an example, insertion of a node at end. Okay, take an example if we are having a three nodes. Okay, node 1, node 2, node 3. This we are going to insert a new node into the linked list. Okay, so each node having some fields 10, 20, 30. This is my new node, that is insertion node. Okay, so we have to create a new node, that is the value is data value is 40. Here default value is null, here also null, at the end of the linked list null. Okay, here we are going to link from the last node to the newly created node, and then we have to create a new link that is called as a previous field to the last node in the given links. Later we have to change this null, should be changed into next node address. Okay, same thing, we have to change this null, should be changed into previous node address, and then the last node is called as a null field. Okay, represent end of the linked list. This is an example scenarios. Alright, this is one of the examples before inserting a node at the given linked list. So I'm having n number of nodes. Okay, so 10, 20, 30, 40, these are the four nodes that represents a data values. So each node having a different address, that is called as unique address, 1010, 2020, 1000, 2000, like this. I'm going to create a new node, that is 2200. I'm going to create a new node that should be inserted in this position, that is end of the linked list. So what are the things I'm going to do is, alright, this is an algorithm. I'm going to create an algorithm. Alright, so later I'll be explaining in the concepts, example concepts. Okay, we are going to insert a certain node at the end of the linked list and create a link from the last node to the newly created node. Okay, like this we have to do after inserting a node at a list. Alright, here we are going to give a certain demo. So for inserting a node, alright, so void is a return type, this is a function. Okay, insert last is a function. I'm going to insert a node into a given linked list. Okay, these are the user defined variable. New node is a pointer variable, temp is also called as a pointer variable. I'm going to create a dynamic memory allocation for the newly created nodes, and then after new node defines data. Okay, new node, this is called as a new node, define data is equal to x. X is nothing but 10. I'm going to insert certain value into my linked list. Okay, I'm going to check the condition. If head equal to equal null. Okay, if head equal to equal null means a list is empty, that is head equal to null, list is empty. I'm going to create a node, that is, what is new node? New node is nothing but 1000. New node next. Okay, what is new node next? This is new node next equal to null, so I am assigned. Okay, and then later new node previous. What is new node previous? This is new node previous equal to null. Okay, I am assigned, and then after that head pointer should be changed into new node. What is new node? So new node is 1000. Okay, so what is the previous value specified in head pointer? Null. Okay, this should be changed into 1000. It should be changed in 1000 because head equal to new node. Okay, head pointer should be changed into new node address. What is new node address? 1000. 1000 should be stored means automatically we have to create a link from head pointer pointing to the first node address. What is the first node at 1000? Okay, node is inserted at the first, at last. This is the only node present in the linked list. This we call as a last node, this we call as a first node. Okay, null, previous field occupies null, next field occupies null means there is only one node present in the given linked list. Okay, have you understand first scenario in the insertion and node at last. Okay, second one, So insert a node at existing linked list. Okay, existing linked list, we are having a three nodes present in the linked list, that is 20, 30, 40. So my aim is to insert a node at the end of the linked list. What is end of the linked list? This we call it end of the linked list. Okay, we are going to see this as certain example. In if condition we have checked the temp, that is called as a head pointer equal to equal null, means the list is empty. We have to insert a certain node into the linked list. So later, if there is an existing node present in the linked list, existing node means these are the existing node present in the linked list. Okay, that time we have to create a new node after we have to insert into the existing node. Alright, so we have created new node. What is new node? New node is 10, that is new node value is 4000, address 4000, data is 10, and the previous field is null, next field also null. Initially we have created new node, and then after that here I am going to assign temporary pointer equal to head, temp equal head. Okay, temp equal head means what is the value of head? Head pointer to the first node of the linked list, first node address of the linked list. What is first node address? 1000. Okay, temp equal to 1000. Okay, here temp equal to 1000. Okay, 1000 means temp also pointing to the first node in the given linked list, because temp equal to 1000. Okay, temp also pointing to the first node in a given linked list. Okay, why we are using temp pointer means this head pointer does not move from one node to another node. Head pointer pointing to the first node in the given list, but a temporary pointer moves from one node to another node, identify which is the last node present in the linked list. If identify this is the last node, we can easily insert the certain new node into my linked list. Thus only we are using a temporary pointer. Okay, so this temp equal to head equal to 1000. Okay, 1000 should be assigned in the temporary pointer. You understand? Okay, this while loop condition going to identify which is the last node present in given linked list. While temp defines next, that is defines nothing but pointer next not equal null. What is temp? 1000 next, 1000 next is 2000. This is temp is 2000, that is 1000. Next is nothing but pointing to this address 2000 not equal null. Condition true or false? Condition is true. Condition true means if there is some things present in the linked list, that is 2000 not equal to null, because temp define next, temp defines next, this next is 2000, 2000 not equal to null means condition true. It can able to enter inside the while loop condition. And then temp equal temp next. What is temp? Temp is 1000, 1000 next. What is 1000 next? 2000. Okay, here temp should be changed into 2000. So previous temp is 1000. Okay, this pointer changes into temp equal temp next. Temp is 1000, 1000 next is 2000. Okay, temp next is 2000. It's going to point to next node address, because temporary pointer pointing to the next node means easily identify which is the last node present in the given linked list. And then this link should be changed here, because temp equal to 2000. Automatically link is changed and point to this second node, because temp equal 2000. Temp should be changed. And then while temp next. What is temp next? Okay, what is temp next? Temp next is temp next 2000 next, 2000 next is 3000. Alright, so automatically here 3000 not equal null. Condition true or false? Condition true. And then temp equal temp next. What is temp? Temp is 2000, 2000 next is 3000. Here change 3000, because temporary pointer moves from one location to one node to another node simultaneously. That is temp should be changed into 3000. Okay, I understand. Here temp should be changed into should be changed in 3000. Automatically link is terminated from the second node to, that is terminated from the second node and connected with the third node. Alright, and then again, what is the value of temp now? 3000. Okay, temp next. Okay, what is the value of temp next? Temp next is null. Alright, temp is 3000, 3000 next is null. Okay, here this should be changed into temp next is null. Okay, null not equal null. Condition true or false? Condition fails because we identify this is the last node in the given linked list. We identify this is the last node. We can easily insert a new node into the given, that is given linked list. Alright, we identify temp equal 3000. Okay, temporary point to point to the last node is the given linked list. So later I come out of the while loop. Temp next. What is temp next? Equal to new node. What is temp next? Temp next is nothing but null. Okay, this should be changed into new node. Temp next, temporary pointer is 3000. Next is, this is next, equal to new node. What is new node address? New node address is 4000. Okay, here new node address is new node address is 4000. This should be changed. Okay, because we are going to create a link from the last node to the previous node address. Okay, we are going to create and then this is 4000. One second. This should be stored here because I'm going to create temp define next. Temp pointer next is 3000. 3000, that is 3000. Temp is 3000. Next is, this is the location we are going to change. So automatically we have to create a link from this third node to last node. Okay, have you understand this? And then we have to create link from this location to that location, that is last node to third node. So how can I able to create? This is new node. New node is nothing but 4000. What is this field? That is new node previous. New node previous point to temporary pointer. What is temporary pointer? 3000. Automatically this is here, this we call as in 3000. Okay, new node previous equal to temporary pointer. What is temporary pointer? 3000. Automatically should be changed. Here should be null should be changed into $3,000. Alright, we have to create a link from last node to previous node address. Okay, because in double linked list we have 2 pointers. One is called as a next node address, next field, and the previous we have created. Later, new node next. What is new node? 4000 next equal to null. We have created. This is the last node in the given linked list. Okay, we identify this is the last node. Okay, the node is inserted at last and display all the elements present in the given linked list. Okay, this is the way we are going to insert a linked list element in a doubly linked list concepts. Alright, so have you understand? So thank you for watching this video.